Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are going to be unbagging the brain fart, the August IPSY. Alright, so the bag this month, it looks normal, but it actually feels a little bit different. It's more of this like silky satiny material, which is really nice. A little jungle theme, jungle leaf. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Now before we get into the products, I once again had some points to redeem. So I got a 6th product this month and I redeemed the Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Gel. So I have never tried anything from Anastasia before, so I am really excited to try this. And I don't do a lot of brow anything either because I am very thankful that I have naturally nice eyebrows usually, so I don't really do anything brows, but this was the thing that really caught my attention out of all the options. This is in the shade medium brown, by the way, which I'm not too sure about. I think it's going to be a little too cool toned now that I look at it. But I just got a little bit closer. Here is the little mini product itself. Once again, I don't normally do this. I'm just trying to see if this is going to match my brows. I think it's going to be, it matches my hair pretty well. But in terms of my eyebrows, like I said, I'm pretty lucky. Really the only areas that I might need to fill in is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with that right here. Take that a little bit, and I'm just going to work it through the brows as best that I can. I mean, I can see a difference in the brows. Okay, the shade actually isn't that bad. I thought it might not work, but oh, my brows need done so bad. Okay. I mean, I can see a difference in them. It still didn't really fill in. I want to go back in because it didn't really fill in this area here that I want filled in. Like, I want like down here, but it's like it's touching my skin, but it's not doing much. I mean, there's a big difference in my two eyebrows right now. Definitely. So it does work, and this color actually is not as bad as I thought. I think I could do a darker brown, but like this actually is not that bad. So very happy with this. I'm going to dip in and get a little more, and I'm going to do the second eyebrow. Here we go. Oh no. Okay, so here are both eyebrows. Now, like I said, this is my first time trying this product and even a brow gel, and I don't quite like what it's doing. I like what it's doing for like this part of my brows, but I don't like what it's doing for here. And for me, this is the part that I need filled in, so it's really not like filling it in. So I know that I need to go back in with a pencil, but I don't want to do that. Like, I just want one product to kind of do it all. It does make them look fluffier. Oh my gosh, this stuff is getting everywhere. There's like, you can kind of see it, there's like color up here that is not coming off, and it looks like poop. Like, it legitimately looks like poop on my eyebrows, and I don't want to have to do this. So I'm torn because, like I said, I like what it's doing for like the last half of my brows, but not really here. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so now with the products that we got this month, I am going to start with this cute little eyeshadow palette from Bellapierre Cosmetics. This is the It's Only Natural eyeshadow palette, just a super thin eyeshadow palette. And I know, like, I like a mirror, but I also like how thin this is. Like, not having a mirror really makes it super compact. I'm not going to be putting this on my eyes today, but I will do some swatches. So let's start here. And then I'm going to go here. Ooh, very creamy. This one was very creamy. Okay. Ooh, this, like, it's actually like a white color. Let's try that one. Okay. This darker color. And this golden color. Alright, so here are the swatches on the back of my hand. I mean, they're nice. They, like, the metallic ones are the creamy type of metallics, so I do like that. And the mattes are pretty good. Like I said, there's just, I know I keep saying this over and over, but it's so true. Like, I just have not found an eyeshadow, like, formula or anything that's just, like, blowing me away. Like, they're all the same now. So, I don't know, it's kind of hard to, like, give a review on anything because they're all just so similar. But I am going to keep going. The next thing I got is this, I've never heard of this, Fuji Collagen Whip Vitamin Masks. I love face masks. I'm really excited to try this. This one seems very, like, very just easy and simple and not complicated. I like that it has collagen. I can't do clay masks, so that, oh, this has benton. This does have clay in it. Gosh darn it. I thought this didn't have clay in it because it said collagen whip mask, so I figured that wouldn't have clay, but it says bentonite, and bentonite's clay, right? 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 Okay, I can't get this open either, so we're not going to open this one. This is, like, vacuum sealed tight, and I don't have scissors. So, we're just going to leave this one as it is. Alright, the next thing I got is from GoldfaddenMD. I've been getting a lot of GoldfaddenMD in my IPSY, and this is an exfoliator, actually. It's called the Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. So, it is a physical exfoliator. Let's go ahead, open this one up. I do want to see, because I am in need of a new exfoliator. I'm just going to get, like, the teensiest bit. Oh my god, yeah, for sure. There's little tiny things in here, and I'm trying to read what they are. It says ruby crystals. These are not real life fucking, these are not real life ruby crystals. Get out of here. Like, they think we're stupid. Okay, it doesn't say what they actually are, but they're, like, super duper fine, like Dermalogica exfoliant kind of fine. So I'm interested in using this because, like I said, I need one, and now I have one, so I'll let you know how this one goes. Alright, next we have Lasting Smiles Lip Balm. Not very exciting. Smells amazing. This is in the Peach Blossom, and this is an all organic lip balm. It has coconut, sunflower oils, beeswax, cocoa butter. Yeah, very, very nice. I have another one of these, and it's still, I mean, it works really well. It feels really good on the lips, so there's that. And the final product I have is from Yensa Beauty. Never heard of this either. Oh, it's made in Korea, so maybe it's a Korean brand. I'm not 100% sure. But this is the Super Serum Silk Foundation. I'm excited for this. I did get, it doesn't say a shade name on here. So unfortunately, I cannot give you, oh, it does. Light medium, sorry. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. If I can get it open, that's always my problem. Alright. So, I'm just going to get a little on my finger here. It is Not the best shade. It could be a little cooler. It does look a little bit orange here on me, so it might not be good. So the reason they call this a serum foundation is because it has vitamin C, E, ferulic, and I'm not even going to try to say the word, some type of oil in it. And it's supposed to brighten, improve firmness, and prevent fine lines. So it's kind of like a mixture between a serum and a foundation, which I do like. It's just too orange for me. It's like it's almost there. It possibly could work if I have a lighter concealer, so I might give it a try. I know you can't really see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on my hand here or not, but I mean, the back of my hands, they do have a lot of fine lines and a lot of wrinkles. They do look like old lady hands, so I mean, it's not really working. Like, I can still see all the fine lines and I can still see the wrinkles. It's making the skin on the back of my hand look super dry, like worse than before, worse than the other hand that doesn't have anything on it. So I don't like that. It looks like my skin is like peeling off where I put it on. So I'm not really very excited to put it on my face. Well, those are all of the products that I got this month. I'm not really happy with them at all. But once again, this is the pattern that I've been in with IPSY. You get like a few good bags and then the rest are just kind of and unfortunately this one was a downer. So I don't know. I think the only thing that I might possibly use and like in this one is that wasn't even included in my bag. It was like the extra point, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. So I think that's the only thing that I could possibly see myself using here. My brows look like fucking caterpillars right now. My brows look like caterpillars. Like, look at them. Yeah. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out for the day. Sorry this one was not so much fun. There was not a lot happening. The products weren't that good, but thank you for sticking around anyways. It really means a lot to me. I'll see you guys soon.